It is great to have you back here at Xrp's channel. Which of these options do you prefer? Please people cast your vote in the community option. Option A XRP. Option B Ripple. Option C SEC. It has been reported that Xrp Eft is almost approved by this American multinational corporation. If you have any XRP tokens or are even remotely interested in XRP, you should watch this. The price of XRP today is 50 cents, thanks to $1.7 billion worth of trades in the past 24 hours. With a 0.6% drop in the last hour, the price of XRP has dropped 1.2% over the past week. The current quantity of XRP coins is 48 billion out of a total of 100 billion. These rates might have changed by the time you watch this video. This is not a recommendation to invest in cryptocurrency, as doing so carries significant risk. As a result, you should do your own research before making any investments. To purchase or sell XRP, you can do it on some of the most prominent exchange sites listed below. Bitstamp, Toro, GateHub, sure. Then, let's not waste any more time. Jump into the video. The XRP community is perplexed by Ripple's silence and low EC, an account of the Bitcoin ETF and its primary themes. The XRP ecosystem is in a state of flux as rumors circulate about the unusual lack of activity in the ongoing SEC versus Ripple lawsuit. Fred Rispoli is the first to speak, and he expresses astonishment that SEC discovery motions have not been filed given the infamously hostile history of the dispute. A settlement upon SEC's acquisition of Desire Discovery is one possibility, another is a protracted court battle culminating in damages briefing, with a decision expected in early summer. In keeping with the widespread unease, Jeremy Hogan, a partner at Hogan & Hogan, says it has been quite shy and silent, Fred, and that has been giving me the willies. In their response, Rispoli hoped the SEC would choose a different course of action after realizing it may lose money fighting Ripple. SECs may be intentionally harming investors by prolonging the legal process, according to several critics. While the community looks into the SEC's intentions, Rispoli brings up the penchant for financial gain. This means the SEC could lose money if the damages phase of the case carries on. This acknowledges the unknowns. SEC's long-term plan has raised some eyebrows, and an appeal is being seriously considered. Rispoli argues that expeditious discovery and briefing are prerequisites to initiating an appeal in the event that one is probable. Everyone in the XRP community is on edge since nobody knows what the SEC plans to do or how it will affect Ripple and XRP investors. Continual discussions are being held. The news of today also included the transfer of 369,600,000 XRP tokens out of Max, which led to a precipitous decline in price. A whale moved $20.98 million worth of Ripple XRP from a Mexican exchange to another wallet on December 10, according to the Whale Alert X handle. The transfer occurred while the price of XRP stayed unchanged following its decline from 63 cents on January 3. Despite XRP's lackluster performance, buyers seem to have faith in its long-term potential, as shown by the lack of strength on the 4-hour XRP against USD chart, but the large outflow to a wallet that isn't an exchange wallet suggests otherwise. The cryptocurrency has had a price range of 55 cents to 58 cents over the past 24 hours. Since January 3, CoinEdition has observed a lack of buying momentum using the Relative Strength Index, RSI, on the chart. At the time of writing, the Relative Strength Index stood at 4.57. The latest trend in the indicator reveals that buyers have attempted and failed on many occasions to increase the price of XRP. That is why the 60 cents area has remained elusive for the cryptocurrency. Without immediate buying interest, the XRP price might drop below the $0.5 to $5 area. Support indicator value dropped to -0.02 when Chaikin Money Flow CMF was analyzed. The level of buying and selling pressure is measured by the CMF over a specific time frame. If the reading had been positive, it would have signified more demand to purchase XRP. However, if the CMF reading continues to fall into the negative zone, as shown by the negative reading, XRP might potentially fall from the $0.55 support level. The most recent numbers show that XRP open interest oil has dropped, with the OY falling down to $476.53 million. XRP prices might take a nosedive due to liquidated holdings. The total of all open positions in a contract, known as the open interest, changes due to net positioning. Market players growing net positions indicate strong open interest. On the other hand, a drop in the OLY might signal that the XRP price doesn't have enough support to continue rising, which might cause a rush of sellers to unload their holdings. If you haven't already, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. The meeting is about to begin. The video may now proceed. Following Bitcoin's approval, the XRP ETF is anticipated to follow. It has been reported that Steve McClurg, Chief Investment Officer of Valkyrie Funds, has discussed the potential for an Ethereum and XRP ETF, following the anticipated approval of a Bitcoin spot ETF by the SEC. Steve McClurg, co-founder and Chief Investment Officer of Valkyrie Funds, recently talked with Bloomberg and stated that it would not be shocking if a spot ETF for Ethereum or Bitcoin were to be introduced to the market. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is set to approve Valkyrie's Bitcoin ETF, and trading is scheduled to start as early as Thursday. This forecast follows after their approval. In the future, McClurg cannot predict whether or not Valkyrie may offer similar things. Honestly, I have my doubts about whether we will actually do that. In his words, more spot ETFs will be released soon. Market fluctuations lately back up McLaurin's bullish prediction for Ethereum and Ripple ETF. By adding XRP to one of their publicly traded trusts, Grayscale is demonstrating the growing interest in diverse cryptocurrency investment products, he said. Valkyrie has not made any public announcements regarding its plans to pursue these ETFs. This kind of device is going to be available soon, says McClurg. He was very clear that these potential ETFs may cater to retail investors rather than those with extensive knowledge of the cryptocurrency market. Everything is possible, even though McClurg did say that SEC's decisions are unpredictable. That the agency will provide its approval is also uncertain. Valkyrie is gearing up for the launch of their Bitcoin ETF. Even though the regulatory landscape is unpredictable, McClurg remains cautiously optimistic. Wednesday will bring the effective date, and Thursday is when trading will start. Still, we know that anything may happen. He claims that we will be trading on Thursday. We do not want to offer you financial advice or push you to invest in any certain company. To put it simply, this is a channel via which educational resources will be sent to you. Scammers take note, we will never knowingly request payment via WhatsApp or any other platform. When you see a link in a remark or an email that seems like it came from our channel, please exercise caution. Catch you later, farewell.